Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is putting in my rear end. Just got a new one. Well, it's not new, it's rebuilt. I found this on Facebook. It's been completely redone. It's got 410 gears, the long studs. It's got the C-clip eliminators these are custom made, so that they're the same length as what they'd be if it was a drum system that it started out with. Stainless steel lines. Guy did a good job plumbing them, a lot better than I would have done, I'm sure. And so we're gonna put this in, and I'll be fast forwarding through most of it. I got my dad to come over to help with some of the lifting. Alright, so these are the brackets that I was wanting to put on. They're drop down brackets. They go on like that, and they bolt onto the side. But that hole right there is a 9/16 hole, and these holes are like a 1/2 inch, and so I didn't use them before, but these holes right there are 9/16. The guy welded them in so that it fit a 9/16 shank bolt. The only problem is that bushing is a 1/2 inch. So either way I go, I have to still drill that or get a different bushing, one of the two, because the bolt's too small for the holes on the axle now. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and put those brackets on anyways. I wanted to anyway. I was really wanting to. And so I'm gonna remove these and take them over and try to drill them. The guy at UPR said that I could drill them because they're not hardened steel. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I noticed, well, my dad noticed actually, that this rubber piece is missing. Well, evidently the last time I did the springs, or did the when I did the control arms, that fell out, That's this. This was on the other side. And I didn't know what it was or where it came from when I was cleaning the shop, and I believe I threw it away. So I got online and ordered those. Those won't be until a week or so, about a week and a half. So I'm gonna do this and then probably just leave this sit so I don't have to do it twice and wait for, and I bought the tops and the bottoms while I was at it. They were kind of cheap, so that's where we're at right now. That drill bit is too dull. I'm gonna have to get a new one tomorrow. Found a 1/2 inch drill bit. I think I'll try that too. It's a little bit bigger than what the hole is, so we'll give her a shot. Open it up a little more. Anything will help. Yeah, even with the smaller bite, it didn't want to go. It's just getting hot. So I guess we'll have to wait unless I can search around and find something else. Yeah, what have I got to lose? It's already messed up. Well, one thing I didn't foresee, that sticks out. So these are too narrow. So I'm not going to be able to use them, but at least the bolt, that bolt fits. It's got paint in it, but it fits. I have to hammer it a little. It's got the powder coating in there. That is just a doubled up plate. I can grind that off. You know, you can see the parting line. I can grind that off on both sides. And then that bracket will go on. I got to think about whether I want to do that or not for sure. Because I'm not even sure that with my tires I can drop this car down. Alright, so I'm done for the day. And I got to wait for parts and stuff. I decided I'm probably not going to grind off those tabs until after I get everything back together, get the tires on, maybe see how the car runs and takes off and stuff, whether it squats and all that before I go, because that's powder coated. So before I go cutting that off and ruining that powder coat, I want to make sure I actually need those drop down brackets. So it'll probably be another week or so before I make another video on this rear end install, because I'm waiting for the parts. So that I'm gonna just go ahead and upload this video. And if you happened on this video and you like what you see and whatever, go ahead and subscribe.